it's Wantable's back to school edit. So if you want to see what they sent me for back to school style and how it looks on, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's at Marine Science Camp. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. This is my Wantable back to school edit. So I posted a community post and with 4 of the edits, and the edits that got the 2 highest votes I did order. So this is the back to school. This was the second highest voted. The top highest was the road trip, but I'm waiting for that one. And this one did have, if you get all of the items they send you, which is 7, I believe, you get 30% off. And if you get 5 or 6, you get 20% off. And then under 5, you don't get any percent off. And most of the time I've been getting like 1 item from these. So we'll see. We'll see what they think back to school looks like. Now I'm not going back to school. My daughter's going back to school. So, you know, I don't know. Just figured there'd be some cute stuff in here. There was a free lunch bag, I believe, that was a part of it. And I do have a code down below to get you $25 off of your first edit if you've never tried it before. So check that out if you're interested. Now, Wantable is a Stylist subscription service, but you can get it as often or as infrequently as you like. They send you 7 items. They have style edits, they have active edits, they have sleep and body edits, and they have a men's edit. They don't have a kids edit like Stitch Fix. They don't send shoes like Stitch Fix. It's just going to be clothes and jewelry. Sometimes I wish there were shoes because I think that would, you know, make the outfit complete, but that's all right. And they do have specialty edits. So within each, maybe not within each, but within most of them, there is a specialty edit. So again, this was the back to school edit. They had a brunch baddie, a summer in the city, and a road trip edit. Now they have, I think, a summer to fall edit. So like layering up, layering down, depending upon the weather. You know, it's the beginning of August and it's totally cool today. Whereas this time last week it was 90 degrees with 80% humidity and it felt like over 100. So you just never know what you're going to get. That being said, this is my outfit of the day. Nothing special, nothing fancy. I got these Democracy pants and they are a nice boot cut, but they are getting a little big for me, so they may have to get retired. And this is just a little yellow t-shirt that was my daughter's, and this is just something from my Amazon Prime Day. So nothing real fancy today. Here is that free lunch bag, and it's actually pretty cute. It's kind of got like a canvas outside, but then insulated on the inside. There is a strap. And then there is a bag within the bag. So I'm not sure why that is or what that's for, but okay. And there's your extra strap. A little pouch on the back or whatever you want to put in there that doesn't need to be cooled. And a little handle on top. Here is a little sneak peek. It looks like it's some fall colors, which for back to school is exactly what you'd be looking for. There is a card with prices and note from your stylist. There's ads. There's a Cozy Tober one coming up. And this is just about 78 and sunny. And it looks like Taylor is my stylist again. Now I had Taylor like way back, and then I didn't have Taylor, and now I have Taylor again, it looks like. So that's all right. Last time around she did pretty good. She chooses a lot of things from my stream that I might like. So we do like that about Taylor. Here's the bag to send everything back. This is the U.S. Postal Service, so nice and easy. You just drop it off. It's all paid for. All right, let's get another look at some of these great colors. I think I did tell them something about yellows. think I said I was looking forward to like some mustard yellows and some dark greens and some rust colors, things like that. So the first thing is by Thread and Supply, and it's this cute little camisole, and it is flowered, but it's not obnoxiously so, because as I've been saying, like, I'm kind of done with florals, but I think this is really cute. It's not like in your face florals. And don't get me wrong, like last year I was all about the florals, the last 2 years, but now I'm like, kind of done. And it's okay if you still are. I just have so many that I think I oversaturated myself. Also by Thread and Supply is this little white sweater. And I have been looking for something like this. You know, you put a little camisole under it, it's obviously pretty see-through. But I have some things that, some of those kind of flowy pants that something like this would look nice with. One in particular, which is black and white with like white palm leaves on it. By 78 and Sunny this is a gorgeous navy blue, super soft, like that. Okay, so far I'm in for it. By Thread and Supply. Now Thread and Supply is one of the more reasonable brands. That's just a cute little throw it on with a nice necklace and a pair of jeans. This is a large, it looks giant. This is by Vigos, which is one of my favorite jean companies. And look at how pumpkin spice latte that is. Oh yeah. By Democracy, we've got, because I don't think I have any green pants, and for the fall, that's perfect. We have these just, you know, simple straight leg green pants. And now this has been in my stream forever, and I thought it was so stinking cute, and I don't wear a lot of skirts, but this is something I would definitely wear. This is by Democracy as well, and look at how cute that is. Just love the little pockets. There we go. So there's a little pocket flap here, but pockets here as well. And that's a great length. All right, I think I've got a lot of nice little mix and match outfits in here. So I'm going to try some stuff on, and I will be right back. So here is the first outfit. I picked that Thread and Supply top. It's a little big. Would need to size that down if I'm going to keep it. And that skirt, which is super cute, really, really like it. Like the pockets, like how it looks. Let's look at some pricing. So everything in here except for 2 things were requested, and 2 things are on sale too, so that's nice. This is the Scarlet Top in Oatmeal by Thread and Supply, $50. This is a size large. I would have to see if they have it in a smaller size because it's just overwhelming me. So I would want to look at that in a smaller size. And the skirt is the double button flap pocket skirt in pale oatmeal, multicolor, size 12, and that is $68. And I think that's a pretty good fit. So I do like that. It's just, this is overwhelming as it is. Let's try something else. I am back with this little white top, which I think is a much better fit. It goes super cute. I just threw on a brown camisole underneath, and I think that kind of brings out the brown in here, so I do like that. I also throw on like some sneakers for a more casual look. So this could be like a cute going out to brunch outfit, and let's dress it up a little bit. So you can kind of make this a cute little brunch look, right? Throw on a little hat, throw on your outfit, and you're good to go. You got some sneakers on in case you want to walk or you can throw on some heels, whatever kind of feels like the right groove for you, but total hit, I would say. And this top is one of the two things that was not a requested item. This is the Lola tank in white, size large, Thread and Supply, $66. And like I say, Thread and Supply is kind of one of their less expensive brands. So with these boxes, you already know like the average price item is upwards of $50 or more. Every now and then you'll find something in the $40 range, but this definitely isn't a box for finding less expensive clothing items. But you do get some really nice staples for your outfits. All right, let's try something else. So I swapped out the skirt for the green pants, and then I put on the little camisole, and then I just grabbed the sweater just to try it on with everything because I think it would be a nice match. I think those yellows go nice together. So let's take a look at the cami, and you know, obviously you're going to want a strapless bra with this. This does have adjustable straps, so let's adjust this a little better for my height. So it does adjust nicely so that you can wear it, you know, where you're most comfortable with it. It is a little bit of a shorter one. This is a mid-rise, so they're kind of meeting at the same place. But I do have something on underneath of it, so I'm not that worried about that length of it. It is pretty cute, I will say that. Only if I'm going to keep all of the items will I keep this, though. So, I mean, I do like it, but as far as need-wise, there we go. That's a little better look. All right, so I don't dislike it as much when I can kind of picture it with a strapless bra. Here is that cardigan over top of it. So, I mean, it definitely has potential, but I definitely need to go down maybe 2 sizes. I think it's meant to be oversized, but on my frame, it's just kind of totally swallowing me. But I do like it. It's super soft. I like the way it feels. I like the way it goes with these pants. I do like these pants. They're super comfortable. So let's look at some pricing. The cardigan is the Color Block cardigan in blood orange combo, size large by Vigos. It is $44.50. This was a requested item, but again, I didn't think it would be this big. And then the Mellow Tank in golden yellow by Thread and Supply, $41.25. So both of these items are on sale. Let me let you know the full price. I think they're somewhere close to half off. So the cardigan is originally $89.99 or $89. It's hard to see because you've got that little line through it. So $89 for the cardigan originally. So that is a really good buy. And the tank is originally $55, so not quite half off, but you know, a percentage off, which is always nice. And then the pants are the Absolution ankle skinny jean in herb, size 12, $78. And I do really like these. So that is definitely something to consider. I have one more top on, so let's try that on. Without even seeing this and just feeling it on, I was like, I am in love with this. I want this in every color. It's so comfortable. Oh my goodness, so cozy. Little tank top on, underneath, good to go. Could wear this with pants, could wear it with skirt, could wear it with just about everything. I love it. Now, I know this is 78 and sunny, so I know it's going to be expensive, but it is the coziest thing I've ever put on. This is the Hossie Brookside one shoulder sweatshirt by 78 and Sunny, $69. So let's see if I get everything. If I get everything, it's going to be $288.97. That is not a bad price for 7 items. So that's something to think about. I do need to size some of the items though down. So this is supposed to be oversized. So I probably wouldn't size this down. Although I don't know, maybe I would. What size is this? Is this a large? Oh, doesn't say. Yeah, this is large. So I don't know if I would size that down or not. It is super comfortable, and I would not want to risk it being less comfortable. The pants, I got a little room in here. So I'm thinking these need to go down to a 10, and possibly the skirt as well. And then I can kind of justify it because I have lost some weight. I'm trying to lose more weight, been exercising, been trying to watch what I eat. So I've been pretty successful so far. So I think if I can size down a lot of these things, I think that it might be a 7 out of 7, which last time around, the whole entire box except for one sweater ended up with my daughter. And it was like an incredible deal with the 30% off. So, and this is originally, the whole box would originally be $416. But with 30% off, it brings it down to $288.97. So, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. What should I keep? What should I send back? Or do you guys feel it's a 7 out of 7 box as well? All right, well, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's all free and it helps my channel grow, and I'd so greatly appreciate it. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.